Hi guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a, paper airplane, Manny. I don't understand that, oh my god, I'm so tired. It's like 4 or 5 in the morning or something. I don't even know. I don't know where my phone's at. But this is Avenue Maintain. I'm so sorry. But that is the color I used. It is a blue, and it's from Essie. And so to get started, you just take a brush and get it in black, and make a triangle, but like the side be a little longer, like, and then do that, and then like have another little point like that. Oh, excuse me, I'm getting sick, I think. Then draw a line in the middle of that to connect that. So then you have your little airplane. And then draw the little dots. I really hope you cannot hear the TV. I'm sorry, it's Workaholics and it's like really inappropriate. So sorry for that. But yeah. So after you do that, you get white, and I think that white is all dried up. Hold on a second. Okay, and then dip into the white. I think this brush is way too big. I did not realize how small it was. Alright, let's get into the white. And then just fill in the 2 little triangles. And then you have your paper airplane. I like it. It's really cute. I think it's fast and it's really easy to do. Oh, I just stuck my hand in my other design. But yeah. So I'm gonna clean this up, and I hope you guys like it. It's really cute if like you make the paper airplane on the thumb and then it all like the dots on these. That's what I did when I used it in a mani. But it's your choice if you just want to do that on everything or whatever you decide to do. But yeah. Alright, so thanks for watching. Bye.